When I first began my tryst with quinoa, I definitely did not like it, probably because my Indian taste buds were tuned for a different type of carbs. Namaste. Today I'm going to show you all how to make Quinoa Kichdi in the instant pot. This is probably a fantastic way to introduce your family to quinoa if they haven't liked it so far. It is full of flavors, has a lot of Indian notes and veggies, making it a nourishing and wholesome meal. It also has got lots of protein because quinoa in itself is a whole protein. It's not a low carb pseudo grain, but it is something which has got high protein. We're also going to be adding some lentils along with veggies like carrots, beans, and green peas over here, along with some frozen kale. I used frozen kale here because I had a packet sitting in the fridge and I wanted to finish it off, but it's completely optional. You may also add fresh baby spinach or just regular Indian spinach. Once it's all cooked, I'm going to finish it off with some chopped cilantro and cashews.